Welcome back, savvy investors. Ever wondered how to take your crypto investment to the next level? Today, we're journeying into the fascinating world of advanced investment strategies in cryptocurrency. We're going to unlock the power of technology and trading, demystify the science of technical analysis, and delve into the intricacies of risk management and diversification. So sit back, stay tuned, and let's gain a deeper understanding of the crypto investment landscape together. First on the agenda, we explore the intriguing world of crypto trading bots and automation. These are powerful software programs designed to automate your trading strategy. Imagine having a personal assistant that works tirelessly around the clock, executing trades based on your predefined criteria. Trading bots can sift through massive amounts of market data, carry out trades, and even forecast market movements, all at a pace that far surpasses human capabilities. Picture having a financial advisor with the processing power of a supercomputer. But remember, successful bot trading isn't a passive activity. It requires regularly fine-tuning your strategy and settings to keep up with market fluctuations, and while bots are powerful tools, they're only as effective as the strategy you implement. Next, we delve into the domain of technical analysis. This involves studying the ebbs and flows of market trends to make informed trading decisions. Technical analysis is akin to being a detective, scrutinizing price movements and trading volumes to identify patterns and trends. It's about finding clues in chart patterns to predict future market movements. Some of the popular tools and indicators in this field include candlestick charts, moving averages, the relative strength index, RSI, and Fibonacci retracement levels. Mastering these can provide you with an advantage in pinpointing potential entry and exit points for your trades. But bear in mind, technical analysis isn't a crystal ball. It's a tool that, when combined with other research and analysis methods, can aid in making more informed investment decisions. Finally, we discuss advanced risk management and diversification strategies for your crypto portfolio. Risk management in the crypto world is more than just diversifying your investments. It involves understanding the volatility of different coins, setting stop-loss orders to mitigate potential losses, and staying updated on market sentiments and news. Diversification in the crypto realm doesn't just mean holding different cryptocurrencies. It also entails diversifying across different asset classes, such as combining traditional stocks and bonds with your crypto investments. Also, consider the correlation between your assets. During market downturns, many assets can move in the same direction. True diversification means having assets that aren't closely correlated. Remember, in the crypto world, risk management and diversification aren't just about preserving capital. They're about strategically navigating the market to optimize your returns over time. And that concludes our deep dive into advanced investment strategies in cryptocurrency. From the accuracy of trading bots to the insights of technical analysis, and the wisdom in sophisticated risk management, the crypto investing landscape is filled with opportunities for those willing to delve deeper. Always keep learning, stay disciplined, and here's to your success in the dynamic and exciting world of cryptocurrency investment. Until our next rendezvous, continue investing smartly and strategically.